Let me guess, you guys didn't hear me again. All right, guys. Try that again. So, welcome to the New Age Wall Street TGIF stream. I apologize, guys. I'm gonna nail it one of these days. I am a way better trader than I am video production person. Um, I hope you guys had a great week. Happy election week, if you could call it that. Happy. Huh? I think this is the first week I was saying that I'm doing TGIF from the office. Last week I was in Phoenix, um, so yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I think this is the first one. So appreciate you guys being here. And either way, guys, we're gonna go ahead and have some fun here today, and trade some stocks. So Spies just actually pumped up here to this 350. Got a nice little boost right here. So uh, um, just I don't think I have any type of announcements. Usually I go over announcements for the room and New Age Wall Street and for you guys to start out with, and I don't think I have any as of today. So just to remind everyone, if you could go into the we're gonna use my Instagram. So go to my Instagram. It's actually down. It should be down below, and follow me there. I'm gonna post a bunch of new trading stuff on there, and then also we're trying to get the free Facebook group for New Age Wall Street going too. So then people that are not members, I can still provide value to you, and then we can have a sense of community, and I can keep tabs on you guys while you're trading, even if you're not a member, and we could still discuss trade ideas and things like that. All right. So that'll be definitely really fun, exciting. And what is the other one? I'm gonna close my I'm gonna close the thing here on should I close it here on Discord? You guys let me know if I should close it on Discord. Sometimes you say that I echo when I do both of them. Yeah, thank you, Pedro. I see you put the book map up. The only thing is you guys are gonna have to bear with me as far as the way that my thing is set up yet. I don't have my overlays and stuff on my OBS as of yet, so you're gonna have to bear with me on that part. But let's get into some stocks and pre-market. I think, like I said, there's not other um, announcements. Just the social media. Follow me on Instagram. We're trying to get the ramp up the Facebook group so we could work together in community together, even if you're not a member. And the last one is still so the memberships, the annual memberships are still only $179, which is nuts, dude. I think it comes out to like $16 or $18, $20 a month or something like that. Like I said, if you want to get in for that, because it's the whole model of the way I'm doing everything is going to change here within the next probably few weeks. So we're going to go into 2021 a little bit different. And I need a good starting point on where I'm going to collect data, to see if it's working correctly and the way that I want it to, and what have you. Cool. Let's get into some stocks, get some tickers. Hopefully we don't have no jackhammers today, guys. Yesterday, I could already hear saws down there, but yesterday they were doing jackhammers and whatever outside, and it was loud as shit. So hopefully that's not the case. I hope you guys could see everything here on my screen. Why does it look blurry like that? Does it look blurry to you guys? I don't know. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead. So this is my flow algo here, guys. This is for us to show the order flow for the options and whatnot. It helps us see overall sentiment on tickers, and it definitely helps a lot. There should be a link in the description if you want to sign up for the flow algo. It's only like I think it's like $37 for the first 2 weeks or something like that. So really good deal. This helps you know and have conviction in your trades, and also tells you where the smart money and big money is positioning themselves for you to be on the right side of the trade, so you're not taking crazy risk trades. Um, no, okay, cool. Oogla boogla, what's up? Good morning. So here on the SPY, guys, we got up to this 352 here yesterday. We slided for a little bit after hours, and so far in pre-market, we're kind of putting in this base now. Today, unless we get some type of news here in a little bit, about the election on who won. They're saying that they should be able to tally all the ballots today. Then we may get a nice sharp move once they actually announce a winner, if they do today, while the market is open. And so if you're in a position, make sure you're nailing and billing, get in and out. Don't overstay a position. It would suck to be in a nice winning position and then it gets all wiped out because of a tweet or announcement. So, but looking pretty strong here. Our PDC at 350. This is going to be our main line of concern here so far in the SPY. Then we so the up here towards the pivot 352 where we had the resistance yesterday. I do believe that we should get up here to at least test those levels here in a little bit. Okay. As far as tickers to play today, guys, I don't really see anything, that is 100% where I just absolutely in love with it. I do like Amazon. I've been playing Amazon all week. Got in here towards this bottom, a little bit below 3,000, and just been working my way intraday every day. So now we got this kind of big flag on this big time frame, and 3350 is going to be our area that we want to look at. And there's some big. If you come in here, I believe on your flow algo, there was, we'll go to the history. No, where's the history one? They changed this. There it is. So if you come in here and Amazon, there were some big 3400s in here. I believe there's even 3500. Yep, 3500. There it is. So I remember hearing it yesterday. So lots of people with open interest in here for this week, and then a little bit further as well, even 3700. Look at that. So so gonna keep that on watch, especially with a Friday. You could get some lottos for pretty cheap and have them hit for 100% maybe. All right. Do you guys have any tickers you guys want me to go over? I'm keeping track of the Discord chat, and then also here on YouTube too. Tesla, yeah, we could go over Tesla. So give me a second. So on Tesla here, guys, yeah, this is pretty nice right here, bro. Let me see where it's at right now. So 338.09. Yeah, so this range right here is getting pretty tight again. So like we could come up here if I get my handy dandy drawing tool right here, right? And we could make a case for this being something like this, right? And then this going something like, even like this. So something like that, right? So a huge old pennant that's coming up here. And it wants to break out above of this this trend line right here, this 440. If we could get above that 440, we're starting to work above these resistance levels, and we will have some clear skies to keep on going. So this is our area to watch, this 440 or so, and then for us to keep on going. But we're looking here so far in pre-market, we're looking really bullish. It bounced here pretty hard from the after hours. So over PDC, bounce on PDC, and then continue going up would be a nice game plan. Ooh, so they're just coming out with news right now that Donald Trump to admit defeat after receiving advice from his advisors. So it looks like it's over, guys. It looks like Biden is won. So we'll see how we have a little bit of time until the market's open. We have about 15 minutes. But it looks like news is already hitting here for it to, looking pretty bullish. So we'll see. Now the other one that I was looking at here, guys, is so Square. It was really nice here in pre-market so far. I like this base that it's put in right here, this 181. So right here, right, and then now it's curling up. If we could get a little dip and rip action here at the open, this would be really nice on Square. They had earnings last night, so they absolutely crushed their earnings, and so they're up pretty big here on what they want. 200 is going to be the magnet for them. So, and it looks like we're going to have a pretty fun day here now that this news is coming out. So, we'll see. We'll see, like, if he has like some type of press conference or something. Roku. Ooh, Roku was a good one, dude. Roku started taking off as well. The last few days. Oh, this thing is oh, they had earnings last night. Yeah, this will be really good here, Mike. So I do like this earnings yesterday. It's trying to get above these all-time highs and stay above these. So coming into the closer time frame, I think the all-time highs is let me see here. So it's at 240 or so. So yeah, so 240 right here. So if we are able to, hold this level right here in this pivot line, maybe even a little bit below this 232. Once we get above 240, we should have some pretty nice momentum here on Roku. So I'm gonna keep this on watch here too. I'm gonna put this over here. Okay. All right. So, all right. Nio, NET, and Square. Yeah, Square, we just went over real quick. I do like Square holding this area right here we were talking about. So, oh, it's already pumping up here pretty strong. So we need a pullback though at the open. So we need a pullback, little dip and rip action, and then go. And the other one you're saying is Nio. Oh, the Nio is pretty. This will be interesting. So this will be interesting here in Nio, because this 40 was resistance here. So now we may distribute a little bit, but 50 is going to be the magnet probably. 50's going to be the magnet, and then go from there. Okay. Facebook may be really good here today too, because it gets above this area right here, this 297 to 300. It could definitely get going here. I'm gonna put this over here. Just what reading this news here, guys. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like Trump is going to say that he lost. Okay. Let's see here. So Square's already pumping back up here pretty extended. Hola, Juan? Who's Juan? I don't know who Juan is, bro. Spies at all-time highs right now. Oh, it's trying to get there. All right. Oh, Zoom may be really nice here at the open too. Alexa, play my like songs.
Your like songs from Spotify.
Alexa, volume 27%. There we go. I got some music. Does it? Does it really? Alexa, do you work for the CIA? No, she said no, I work for Amazon. How do I feel about Nile today? Nile, dude, is pretty nice. So $40 was where it was having a hard time before, right? So right here, yesterday. Now it may pull back down to this $40. I know that it worked itself up here in pre-market from that area back up, but I think we're gonna come back and retest here and then continue going up. So I don't like it. I don't like the. I know a lot of people are playing it right now. I think it's a chase. I don't know, but at the same time, like I played Tesla as it ran up like from 400 all the way to whatever it got to, what 1500, whatever it was. So I played Tesla like that and all the way up, but I don't know why I'm having such a hard time in this whole NIO thing. I don't have the same conviction. So Fruto el malo. Ooh, this looking at Peloton for it to get above this 125 right here too, guys. So you guys see this cup, so cup, and then it kind of put in a little handle right here. It's still up at this resistance. Once it breaks up above this, we could see it get going. So put an alert here for myself. I don't want to get copywritten. It sucks like getting copywritten, then I can't monetize my videos. Damn, we got a full crew here today, guys. Welcome everyone to the TGIF stream. Appreciate you guys being here. Morning to everyone. Everyone that I could see: Darian, Colin, Ugla Bugla, Regina, Jorge, Colin, Lou, Richie, Tuna, Mark, Alberto. What's up, guys? Good morning. I think it's funny that the Alexa, it has like a shutter door for the camera too. Like you can make it to where the camera turns off. You can make it to where it doesn't listen to you too. But if you do that, then it doesn't. You can't say "Hey Alexa" and get it going. So all right, guys. So about 2 minutes to the open here. Stay patient here at the open, guys, and wait for you guys to set up. Make sure that you're taking profit here very quickly. It is Friday. I do want to remind you, if you're trading options, that to use next week's expiration. If you're using this week's expiration, make sure you're taking profit. You're getting in and out very quickly. Don't let that data screw you. All right. Let's get this money here, guys. James Bond or Jeff Bezos is James Bond. Buenos dias. Cuts that kill. What's up? Mr. Bull. Hey, Mr. Orc. What's up? What's up, guys? Did you guys see Elon's tweet last night about 420 is 10 times more than 42? What do you think that was about? They're taking out like a whole fucking bridge outside. Like, I don't know what they're doing. All right, so watching Amazon here on this screen. Also watching Square.
7 puts. January 15th, 2021. 925 contracts. INSG. 7 puts. January 15th, 2021. 1001 DN. 281 puts. November 13th,
All right, so
2021.
things sliding off a little bit here, guys.
1047
Let
contracts.
things settle and we to see if we could get this bounce here on these dips. All right.
DN. 281 puts. November 13th, 2020. 508 contracts.
All right. Nvidia took off right here at the open, guys.
NVDA. 560 calls. November
A lot of
12th,
selling going on here.
2020. 598
See how the SPY reacts once it gets down to the 349, 34. Oh, there goes the fucking jackhammer, dude. You gotta be. Oh my god, dude. Dude, can you guys hear it? Like,
AMD. 85 calls. November 13th, 2020.
all right. So here we are at the pivot here on the SPY, looking for that bounce here. To 291. All right, so no positions here yet, just waiting here, guys. Yeah, A plus setups have not been the business here this week in effect, so Tesla's selling tequila. Oh, I saw that. I saw that. I may not take a trade here, guys. This is fucking ridiculous, dude. I got these guys fucking jackhammering outside. Like, this is fucking bullshit, dude. Like, and they're not even taking a break or nothing from it.
NVDA. 560 calls. November 20th, 2020. 400 TLRY. 9 calls. November 20th, 2020. 582 contracts.
God, dude.
Net. 70 calls. January 15th, 2021. 490 contracts.
On a rail? What do you mean? Um, like a train track? Peloton. Analog trading. What's up, dude? And Adline looking hella bearish. Which one's Adline? I'm up. I'm up over 35K this week, so I'm totally fine. If I don't get a setup, I don't have to take a trade. So I really wanted to, though. I got lucky in FX. I got lucky with the Amazon setups. Yep, Amazon. And I think I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with some bigger size, so that's really nice too. All right, I'm liking Square right here, guys. I'm gonna try some Square, some 185s. Wait, 1 second. I haven't taken it yet. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. So we got the dip, and then it had like 5 candles where it had held support at 183, and then it started curling back up. But the volume kind of seems really low right now, dude. So we'll see. Baby. Yeah, Amazon has. Dude, I saw that resistance bounce at a little bit below the 3,300, and it was beautiful, beautiful plan. Wish I knew how to hold overnight and have get that whole move.
70 calls.
Um,
December
would have
18th,
been
2020.
a huge trade.
578 contracts.
There we go, Square. First profit target on Square is going to be pre-market highs. Amazon's starting to try to pump bounce up here.
70 calls. December 18th, 2020. 478 contracts. Net. 70 calls. December 18th, 2020. 385 contracts.
It's the right girl.
Net. 70 calls. December 18th, 2020. 373 net. 70 calls. December 18th,
That
2020.
NET is lots of flow on that. I think Regina called that out.
14 calls. November 20th, 2020. 529 contracts.
Spy's being a piece of shit right here, guys.
PLTR. 14 calls. November 20th, 2020. 2,000 contracts.
Forever. Hard way, never say never. Yeah. Keeping an eye on Amazon right here, guys. We're putting in this base right here against this. I believe this is your S1. Yep. So your S1 right here. Once it starts curling up here, I'm trying to get that sniper entry again.
Net. 60 calls. November 27th, 2020. 128 contracts.
It sucks, man, because it used to. I made the TGIF streams on YouTube to be fun and make these trades with you guys. And it used to be Friday used to be my big money day, and as of the last couple of Fridays, man, they just been kind of bleh.
Baba. 285 puts. December 18th, 2020. 287 contracts.
So this is my trade on Square here so far, guys. If you guys are looking here on YouTube, got in on the curl up. I needed to break 187 pre-market high right here is first profit target. There we go. If it rejects this 87, which I don't think it will, I think it's just heating up right now. I think I really nailed this entry. So the thing is I didn't get any type of size on it. Yeah, I'm still in Square.
AMD. 85 calls. December 18, 2020. 504 contracts.
Alright, so taking a little bit profit here on my square. First profit target, where I told you guys. I have a little bit of Amazon now.
AMD. 85 calls. December 18, 2020. 500 contracts. Net. 70 calls. December
This
18,
spot better not dump right here, dude.
276 contracts. TWTR. 40 puts. November 20th, 2020. 3,500 X9 calls. November 13,
Spot's tight as
2020.
hell right here, guys.
516 contracts. AMD. 85 calls. December 18, 2020. 511 contracts. AAPL. 117 calls. December 24th, 2020. 288 contracts.
Yeah, Peloton was sick, dude. Sick right at the open. Did you guys see that Peloton? That's what I was calling for right there. So opened up and it held this support, right? Oops, I put 5 minute. Oh no, there it goes. So held the support here, right? So little dip and then rip right here, right? So dip right here. Held one to like 5 candles and then just straight up, and it's gonna make a move to these highs. If you're not in a trade right now, guys, I would advise not taking a trade, especially with this action right here. We're waiting for news here today, guys.
Plug. 15 puts. November 20th, 2020. 517 AAPL. 120 calls. January 15th, 2021. 6th Roku. 245 calls. November 6th, 2020. 536 contracts.
All right, so now we're starting here on Amazon, guys. We're starting to get these compression dots here sideways.
2020.
We're putting in this really nice base right here. We're starting to make these higher lows. So we just need the SPY to get some strength, like Qs to get some strength. And then we should break up here to the upside.
Open puts. November 13, 2020. 545 contracts. TLR buy. 7 calls. January 15,
So
2020.
191 will be the last point for my square calls.
QQQ. 290 puts. November 13, 2020. 553 contracts. Broker. 240 calls. November 6, 2020. 270 contracts.
It looks like we may go for a ride to the downside.
JWN. 14 calls. November 13, 2020. 942 contracts. Net. 80 calls. November 27, 2020. 200 contracts.
Hey, Netflix, what's up, dude?
TRS. 3 puts.
Good to see you, dude. I appreciate all the comments and engagement on Twitter, all the stuff you leave me, dude. I appreciate it. Everyone that likes and comments on my posts and stuff, guys. I appreciate you guys. I'm working to get more stuff out to you guys as soon as I could. I really want to provide more value to you guys. So,
SGMO. 14 calls. May 21st, 2021. 1,144 contracts.
so waiting on this Amazon here, guys. I don't like how it's flirting here with the in between those lines, and it broke this pivot now. So it's looking more bearish than anything. We still have this compression going up. Oh, there we go.
NVO. 70 puts. November 20th, 2020. 500 contracts.
There we go.
PRMW. 15 calls. January 15th, 2021. 856 contracts. PRMW. 15 calls. January 15th, 2021. 1007 contracts. PLTR.
All right, so I got a hedge in here just to straddle for the downside here, guys, on the Amazon. There we go now, because this is breaking down. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm engaging on the SPY and the overall market sentiment, using it on Amazon as well. So let's see if I can get it to fade back down. There we go. There's the break. So I did the right thing.
PLTR. 12 puts. February 19th, 2021. 4005 NVO. 70 puts. November 20th, 2020. 500 contracts. E195 calls. December 18th, 2020. 516 contracts.
All right, so I sold both positions. I cut my top, and then I got here. I made a little bit down to this break on the downside, but if it reclaims this pivot here, I'm still interested in the upside. So
NIO. 41 puts. December 18th, 2020. 770 contracts.
there we go, SPY. So the SPY can reclaim this 349 and get going. That'll be very bullish here. Oh, you're looking at, yeah, the cannabis stocks. I heard the cannabis stocks and like the energy stocks as well are doing really, really good. What happened to Microsoft that it's going down? Yeah, I appreciate that, Eric. I didn't see your comment, but thank you for the praise on the Square trade.
INTC. 50 calls. December 18th, 2020.
Lots of volume coming into the SPY to prop it up here, guys. So this is a huge battle going on here in this area. Just waiting for that breakout.
ACV. 20 calls. December 18, 2020. 3,745 contracts.
Baba's taking off. Baba's taking it, trying to make a move here, guys. Roku was really nice there, Pedro. That was cool. Zoom right here, guys. Zoom. Someone please get the Zoom real quick. I'm already in 2 trades, or I would. Awesome, bro. On Square? Yeah, no worries, dude.
INTC. 50 calls. December 18, 2020. 754 PLTR. 16 calls. November 13, 2020. 569 contracts.
SPY is compressing here pretty nice here, guys. Alright, so I need Square to break this 190 here, guys. If not, I'll take profit here, but it's looking pretty good. And here comes Amazon again.
November 27th, 2020. 750 B195 calls. December 18th, 2020. 639 contracts.
Nvidia curling up here too. Nice work, nice trade there, Eric. I think Microsoft is really good, dude. For a long-term hold, I would take it. I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon.
SPY. 348 puts. November 13th, 2020. 500 contracts.
Here we go on Amazon, guys. He's not gonna admit he lost, dude. You think he's really gonna admit he lost? I just took a quick little spy trade on this Webull account, the old Webull account. That was cool. So a couple extra bucks there on the old Webull account. If you guys saw me here on the phone. So off of the compression here on the SPY. We may get where it keeps on going up, but just a quick scalp here on the SPY, guys.
2020. 1,020 contracts.
Yeah, they say that they're supposed to be done counting today, so we'll see. And I'm gonna take the rest of my profit of my Square here, guys. It's not getting above this 190. So I.
December 18th.
All right, cool. There, it just got filled there.
500 contracts.
And here comes Amazon, guys. Oh, now Square broke out. Fucking piece of shit.
PLTR. 14 calls. November 20th, 2020. 684 contracts.
Square's gonna run now, guys. We break above this 3265 on Amazon. We have some room to probably get to 3300.
Net. 70 calls. January 18th,
Yeah, but
2025.
Alberto,
250 contracts.
just call it a day, bro. On that Baba chart? What do you mean? Oh, on yours? The first arrows, right, are where you got in, right? I think is the red line is your VWAP down at the bottom, or is that your 200?
JDST. 10 calls. November 20th, 2020. 885 contracts.
I would have used that 200 and more of their NFX. I think you know that your liquidity is down there at that 200, right? So like that would have been had to have been your risk. If not, it's a no trade, right? So I same kind of thing that Alberto was doing, where waiting for that confirmation for it to go up. You did that's what you're doing there, and then you didn't give yourself enough room for your risk, right? So come on, Spy, get above this 349.50. There we go. This Nvidia, like where it retraced, it gave you a nice little compression setup right there too. That was really cool. Roku, yeah, Roku and Peloton were really nice. Yeah, you're getting a second chance on Peloton right now.
November 27, 2020. 1003 conch BAC. 28 calls. January 15, 2021. 1002 BMF. 6 calls. March 19, 2021. 1000 contracts, net. 70 calls. December 18, 2020. 506 contracts.
Come on, Amazon.
Net. 70 calls. December 18, 2020. 566 conch BAC. 28 calls. January 15, 2021. 1800 BAC. 28 calls. January 15, 2021. 500 contracts.
There we go. Thank you, Pedro. I filled some of my Amazon right here, guys. I'm gonna call that a day, dude. Not exactly what I wanted, but it'll work. It's honest work. You're kind of squeezing water out of a rock and it sucks. Now Amazon is gonna go for it. Dude, my entry on Square was pretty freaking awesome. I gotta toot my horn on that a little bit.
June 18, 2020.
My hold fucking sucked,
554
but
contracts.
the entry was really freaking nice. All right, guys, I'm gonna stay on YouTube here for another 10 minutes or so so it'll be a full hour on the day here that will be on the YouTube. Roku was a straight up pivot line to R1 trade, dude. That was really nice. And here comes Peloton cuts called out Peloton. We try to get to this 132 again. Here we go. The spy's trying to go for it here, guys. So.
JVM.
Yeah, on this Peloton, the thing that sucks on this Peloton, dude, is if you look at the volume on this push on this time, there's no volume on this push here, so we need it. There it goes. Now here's your volume coming in right now. So you need some volume for your follow through right here, dude.
ANF. 16 calls. December 18, 2020. 628 conf ANF. 16 calls. December 18, 2020. 935 ANF. 16 calls. December 18, 2020. 1,509 ANF. 16 calls. December 18, 2020. 695 NIO. 42 calls. November 27, 2020. 816 PLTR. 12 puts. February 19, 2021. 600 NIO.
I thought you were done.
November
I thought you were done,
27,
Alberto.
2020. 1,000 contracts. Net. 80 calls. November 27, 2020. 1,100 DD 61 calls. November 20th, 2020. 904 contracts. PLTR. 12 puts. February 19, 2021. 1,218 contracts.
I'm not a boss man, dude.
Snap. 65 calls. April 16, 2021.
On Microsoft, let's take a look at here, bro.
ICB. 15 calls. March 19, 2021. 500 contracts.
Yeah, you'd want it to get at least over, so 224 right here. 225 is going to be your first area that you want it to get to. Then once it breaks that, probably about 230. So yeah, 230 if it could get to there. But yeah, that was pretty good, dude. If it could get to those levels now, if it doesn't get to this 224, bro, you got to look for an exit to get out. No, that's, dude, I trade just like you guys. I trade the same exact market. Oh, there, yeah, there goes your volume on your Peloton, bro. Here's your follow through. Snapchat taking off. What the, excuse me, what the hell's going on? That Peloton was nice, dude. Glad you were able to get it. Now they're beating shit with hammers and shit.
SQ 195 calls. November 6, 2020. 216 contracts. SC 220 calls. May 21st, 2021. 290 M7 calls. November 13, 2020. 881 contracts. DSCO. 40 calls. November 13,
Oh, here comes the
2020.
spider break 350.
500 contracts.
You could DM it to me on Twitter. Just at me on Twitter, or on the Facebook group, dude. That's what I was saying, and that's why I want to do the Facebook group is for you guys to show charts, annotate them, and I could analyze them for you. We could go over it together. So the Facebook group, the New Age Wall Street Facebook group, would probably be the best place. I do have a Discord, but the Discord is paid. So I mean, if you want to join up, it's only $180 for the year, dude. I don't. If you don't get $180 out of my room, bro, like I will give you like double the money. Like there's absolutely no way you do not get $180 worth of value out of my room, dude.
45 calls. December 18, 2020. 16,617 contracts.
All the spies lighting up, guys.
NVDA. 570 calls. November 6, 2020.
Yeah, I could get you a link to the
TSLA.
New Age Wall Street group.
130 calls. November 6, 2020. 172 contracts. M7 calls. November 13, 2020. 2,000 contracts. QQQ. 260 puts. April 16, 2021. 511 contracts.
One second, Alberto. Okay, cool. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up here for the YouTubes here today, guys. Just gonna do a quick recap. For you guys in the room that want the recap, I'm gonna go ahead and just link it to the YouTube here, guys. If you guys want to watch like the last 5 minutes or something. So right here, just looking at the SPY and what we had at the open. If we zoom out a little bit, so we kind of just had this sideways action, and then it was up here at these highs, right? We talked about it pulling back here to the pivot, right? So holding the pivot, and then I wanted to get back up here to the highs of this 352, and we are slowly grinding ourselves up there. So lots of different news things coming out as of right now. So Biden released some. They said Trump was going to concede, and then he said he's not, and all this. So whatever, dude. Like, we had some really nice compression. I was able to take a nice little Weeble trade on here, on my friend's account, and the tickers that I played here today, guys, was Square. So Square was probably my best trade. So we called this out here in pre-market for it being up here towards the pre-market highs, and then now it's actually broke all-time highs, I should say. So now it's broke the all-time highs. It's gonna get to 200. I don't know if it'll get to there today, but 200 is the magnet. It's gonna get to that 200 there. I just don't have a re-entry in it. So if we come here today, what I looked at was this curl up, right? So this curl up in pre-market, And then basically what we had, this is this little dip and rip, right? So this dip and rip action here at the open, I like this base that it put in here, this right here where it came down, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. For 5 minutes, it held this 183 area, right? And now when I got in, I got in about this 183.50. It gave me somewhere to be able to risk off of, right? So if I'm risking a little bit below the low, I'm only risking what, like 60 cents. And then my profit target was up here at the pre-market highs. This is 188.45. So I'm risking 60 cents to make $3. My risk reward ratio is definitely in line for me to be able to take that trade. Very nice entry here on this, and I a little bit volatile right here to keep on holding it. So I got out once it got back up here to the 190. I took out once right here, half, and then once it got back up, it looked like when it was going sideways right here, I wasn't going to be able to keep on going, so it got all the way out, and now it's at this pivot line. And like I said, it will get to 200. It's just how it's going to get to 200. Amazon, I played both ways here, guys.
65 contracts.
So I watched this just drop. I was really patient on the drop for this to go ahead and come down. I saw this coming and compressing here sideways. We started getting these the dots right here. We had the cross to the upside, so I got some calls, and then I got kind of caught in this little wash right here. And I knew that there's a support right here on this S1. So I was still pretty comfortable in the macro outlook of the way that the trade was if it held the pivot line in order for it to curl back up. And the thing was is at the same time, if you look at the SPY pulled back and broke the pivot line as well. But the thing was is that Amazon wasn't like washing really quickly down. There was no panic when it was coming down. So the SPY wasn't really dragging it. It was showing it relative strength for it to stay up. So at this point when it broke down and it came up, I did get some puts, and then I covered my puts here to the downside very quickly. So that was like a quick 3,000 to go ahead and try to cover some of the loss from the calls I had. And then the calls started going back the other way. I was able to go ahead and get out. I believe I got at 32.70. I got all the way out. So that was pretty nice. So any questions on the way I traded or anything like that? What the hell's going on with Snapchat? I'm gonna have to find a better way to mount this camera. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you coming and hanging out with us. So, you know, it's you guys could be trading with anyone, any communities or anything like this. Like, I really like seeing your guys' trade ideas. There's guys that come every week, just to hang out with us on Fridays and stuff, which I appreciate you. Like I said, if you want to send me charts, if you want to annotate charts, if you want to go over trade ideas, go into the Facebook group and sign up. Tag me in the things, and we'll go over them. I really want to make New Age Wall Street not just like a paid community, but a big community overall. For us to be able to help each other out. So if you want the added value of having my setups, my indicators, my all of that, then absolutely, it's $180 right now to go ahead and sign up. Like I said, if you don't get $180 out of my room, dude, there's something going on. So I definitely do believe you will get more than your money's worth. That's it, guys. I don't think there's any other announcements. We will be here for a Sunday Stockcast on Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern, which next week should be pretty crazy. So we may have an announcement of who's president later on this afternoon. So Monday may be pretty crazy. So we'll see how it goes. All right. Do you guys have any type of last minute questions or anything?
December 8th, 2020. 1,600 contracts.
Good, dude. That's my whole goal. My whole goal as a mentor or whatever. Now we have jets flying around outside, bro. Like, what the hell is going on today? Freaking fighter jets all over the damn place. So my goal as a mentor is for you to be a lifetime member, where you don't need me, but you stay because of the community that we have in my room, or to make you such a self-sufficient trader that you don't need me no more and that you quit. So my goal is for you to not need me, and you either stay for the community or you quit because you know how to make money, and I've done my job. So yeah, I appreciate it. But you guys have a great weekend, guys. Stay safe, all right? And we'll see you Sunday for the Stockcast, all right? See ya.